When the country Honduras is mentioned, most people imagine it to be a place replete with crime, a tropical jungle, poverty, and chaos. While some of this is true, Honduras is also a beautiful country with some of the best white sandy beaches in Central America. The country has only just woken up from a deep slumber and realized that it has the perfect, lush tropical landscape to compete with its neighbors for tourists. But there is much more to Honduras than just the beaches. It is home to the second largest barrier reef and has numerous exotic species of birds and other wildlife. Yes, this is a country that's often avoided because of its violence and crime, but much has changed over the past decade. While many of the roads are unpaved and the infrastructure is still underdeveloped, the nation has started to rebuild and change its image. Today, Honduras is open for business, and I went there to see if the place has returned from its abyss. Click the link in the description below and watch the full episode.